1 Sandbar, and a vodka bottle that just earned them handcuffs. We're going to play this entire 15-minute encounter and audit the legal moments as they unfold. Watch for the 3 phases: suspicion, confirmation, and arrest.
How old are you?
25.
You're 25. How old are those 3 girls?
I don't know, I just hopped on a boat with them.
How old do you think they are?
Younger than 21.
Okay, then why would you pour them a cocktail?
I'm not pouring them a
You actually did. You poured it into the green Solo cup.
The first sign of trouble, the officer's question. How old are those girls? He's not guessing. He's building reasonable suspicion. Florida law makes it a misdemeanor to furnish alcohol to anyone under 21, even if it's a sip.
So my question to you again is, I watched you pour from the Tito's bottle into the green Solo cup.
And
Hold on.
holding the cup?
Hold the green Solo cup that you handed to the girl in the black. Why would you do that?
I did not pour.
Yes, you did.
Here, the officer claims he watched one of the women pour vodka from a Tito's bottle into a green Solo cup and hand it to the girl in the black bikini. If he truly observed that directly, that's probable cause. No warrant needed.
Yes, for providing a minor alcohol.
I did not even
you
do
did.
that.
I'm not blind. I watched you do it.
Do you have it on videotape?
Go get your license before I put you.
Do you have it on videotape?
Go.
Listen to the denials. I only poured wine, and I didn't pour at all. Those statements matter. Once you start explaining instead of invoking your rights, you're building evidence against yourself.
You're gonna give her a ticket?
Yes.
Well, you can't arrest her.
Yes, I can.
You can, but don't do
I
that.
can.
We're just having fun.
I don't care. I don't need your help. Go get your ID.
Excuse me, that's my daughter. And
I don't care who she is. She's over the age of 18. She can talk to you after I'm done.
Well, so we'll get a lawyer, and I want to know
You're more than welcome to get yourself a lawyer.
now.
Go get one.
What happened?
None of your business.
She gave underage alcohol.
Who?
I don't know. Something I just overheard.
I'm not here to argue with you, and I'm not here to fight with
I
you.
just want to know what's happening.
She provided alcohol to 3 minors.
How do you know she's underage? Do you know she's underage?
You don't think those 3 girls are underage?
I could think that.
Okay. Would you like me to prove it?
What if she's not?
Young lady in the black. How old are you? Yes. There we go. She's 15.
Alright, I didn't know.
Then comes the key exchange. How old are you? 15. That single word just locked the case. The officer now has direct observation plus a confirmed minor. Textbook probable
She doesn't
cause.
come over here within the next 30 seconds, I'm putting her in jail.
I'll go here.
Hurry up. What? No, we're done. No. I'm done.
Give her a minute.
Excuse me.
Come on, dude.
She has to wear her license. She has
Okay.
to wear it for your permit.
She's getting her ID, man.
Sure I can. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
No,
Come on.
officer, stop.
Come on.
dude.
Come on. Come on.
Are you serious?
Come on.
Can I just get my
Come on.
ID?
I'm not.
Your ID.
Excuse me.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
For real. Here, back up.
Come on, man.
Can I just get my ID?
Serious? You can't give the girl a few minutes to get her ID, dude? Are you
He's
serious?
not having it. Don't grab the purse.
Yeah, I'm grabbing her because it was in her possession at the time that I
No,
took her
if it was, then why don't you let her get a purse?
Go. Step off. Step off. Step off.
Nothing better to do.
Nope.
Why?
Step off.
Don't push her.
Step off.
Wait, but where's the
Come on, let's go.
Can you?
Come on.
Do not.
Excuse me.
Just don't.
You're under arrest now too.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. No,
What are you
you're done
doing
too.
right
Let's
now?
go.
What the f are you doing right now, sir? Please stop. I swear to God, please stop.
Can you let me show you my ID?
Please stop.
I'm telling you right
here.
you are under arrest also.
Stop. Stop. Please stop. I swear to God. Please stop. I promise you I'm not doing the wrong.
Climb up.
I'm right here, girls. I'm right here with you.
Climb up.
I promise you I'm not doing
Climb up.
anything.
Stop. Why you gotta be like this?
Go up.
Do not
stop.
Please stop.
Hey, stop.
Go.
My dog is here.
I don't care. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Female officer, right now. Female officer, right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Sure.
Right now.
All the way over.
Right now.
Yep.
Right now.
Yep. You're doing too much, dude.
Right now, dude. What is wrong
Go.
with you?
Step up.
It's okay.
Step
Ladies,
up.
I'm with you. Ladies, I stand with you.
Step up.
Go up. Maggie, go up. Maggie, just go. Maggie, go.
Come on, man.
Maggie, go.
Don't touch her.
We need a female officer right now. A female officer right now. Just stay up
Go
there. Stay
up.
up there. Stay up there.
Go
Just
up.
stay. Baby girl, just stay.
Go
A
up.
female officer right
Go
now.
up.
Right now. Don't touch
Go
her.
up.
No, female officer.
All the way over.
Listen,
All the way over. All the way over.
Call your captain, bro.
I'm a woman. I'm a woman.
All the way back to the boat.
On the boat.
All the way to the back of the boat.
Watch what happens next. Multiple verbal commands ignored. That's all the officer needs to justify physical restraint. And on camera, that's what we see. Compliance breaks down and force is used. Still, under Graham versus Connor, this looks like a lawful arrest based on resistance, not excessive force.
Where you going, bro? Are you driving?
Because I can.
Oh, you can?
I did.
Oh, why?
I did.
Why you
Just stop. Guys, just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just
Why you
Just
grabbing
stop.
shit?
We want a
away.
female
Okay,
officer.
why?
We want a female.
Go sit back down.
We want a female
Go sit back
officer.
down.
We
Call
want
the
a
captain right now, bro.
We want a female officer here now.
Sit down.
A female officer right now. Right now.
What's that?
Just 5 minutes to get your ID, bro.
Mark down the Meadow.
Mark Highway in Contact.
Step from Mark Highway to Meadow.
Stay there. I'm busy. You're under arrest for interference. Okay? You're under arrest for providing alcohol to a minor and resisting arrest. And you're also under arrest for resisting arrest.
I'm sorry.
And escape. Because when I put you on the boat, you jumped off and tried to hide.
I just have a question for you, though.
Sure.
What did she do in the first place?
She provided alcohol to a minor.
But I didn't.
You did. I'm not gonna. This isn't an argument for you. This is.
that on camera.
Like, sir,
No.
it's my 15.
Okay.
I just want to tell you something.
How are you going to prove that?
Notice how quickly the tone shifts after that. He tells her, "You're under arrest for providing alcohol to a minor." At that moment, the conversation becomes a custodial arrest, not a casual encounter. Any further questioning should trigger Miranda, though officers often wait until after cuffing.
At the end of the day,
But I have a question
it's a
for
simple
you.
ticket, and you would have been on
But I
your
have a
way.
question for
But
you.
you want to acerbate
But I
that
have a
situation.
question for
There
you.
is no questioning.
I know.
Okay? You want to acerbate. You want to deny. You don't want to come back to the boat. Guess what? I don't
Listen.
care what any of those people think.
Can I ask you one question?
Okay? So here's the deal.
You saw, listen.
Yes, I
Can
saw
speak?
you.
Can I speak?
Yes.
I was going to get my ID.
No, you were procrastinating, and I actually sent somebody over to get there. He told you to come in and get your boat. Come bring your ID.
I was going
You
to get my
continued.
ID.
You continued to the point where I was able to get my ladder, get off my boat, walk to your boat. You still weren't in your bag.
Did you not hear me asking her where she put my purse?
So-
I don't know where I put my
I had the purse.
She put her.
Now, both women are being processed. Maggie, 25, and Jessica, 36. Maggie faces providing alcohol to a minor and obstruction. Jessica is charged with obstruction without violence.
Under arrest, and I put handcuffs on you. You don't get to keep pulling away. You don't get to keep fighting me. You don't get to do that.
Well, I've never been under arrest, so I don't know.
Well, what do you think would happen when handcuffs
I
are put on you?
understand, but you
Does
asked
that
me-
mean
you-
does that mean
listen,
that I get
listen.
to go play
Can
and
you-
run
can you let
around?
me talk 1 second?
No.
Listen, you asked me to get my ID.
Yes.
Okay? I was getting you my ID, and then you came over to the boat.
Yes.
You didn't let me provide you my ID.
You were given ample opportunity to get it. You decided that you were going to argue with everyone there and try to plead your case. So here's the deal.
Okay,
so you're under
listen,
arrest. Here, this is the end of the problem, all right? As soon as my partner gets over here, I'm going to get life jackets on you and we're going to the gym.
Okay.
Okay? Everybody understands that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I don't understand what she did wrong. I don't understand.
Well, what do you think she did wrong?
I don't know.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
And I feel like you're being super unfair by not letting us talk.
You can talk all day long. I'm not stopping you from talking. I've already explained it to you.
My 6-year-old right there watching me, but I didn't. What did?
Well, you're the one acting like a moron. I need a set of cuffs.
No, please.
And then there's some real angry people down there for you.
Do you have proof of that, though?
Of what?
Of her? I don't know.
Yeah, I watched.
I'm asking you a question.
I
but you
watched.
answered
I didn't
me.
do anything.
You did.
No, I did not.
But you did.
Okay.
Stand up for me.
Yes, sir.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Actually, let's put your vest on first.
I'm literally a trauma ICU nurse. Like, really?
Then you know better, don't you? You know better than to come snatching stuff from a cop and then try to pull away from him and then jump off a boat after he's put you in custody and tells you to sit down, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I have so much to lose right now.
Okay, all the way on the ground, not on the seat, because we're gonna take a transport. So I need you on the ground of the deck.
Sorry. What are you
On the deck.
gonna do?
On the deck.
Sit?
Sit. Yep. All the way down. Stand up.
Can I ask you one question?
Sure.
You have cameras on this, right?
No,
Okay.
that camera's on me.
So
Turn around. Turn around. See, this is again. We don't listen. We don't listen to instructions. We don't do what we're supposed to do. And lo and behold, here we are arrested again.
I understand what you're saying, but the videos,
There's
I
no
never
video of us
said
doing
anybody
anything.
under the age of 21 years old a drink.
Actually, you did.
No,
But that's
I did
okay.
not.
I'm gonna take this off your head real quick.
Sir.
I'm not getting involved. Right now, I just need you to sit on the floor. That way we can get back safely.
534.
I'll be having 2 parking problems, Stewart Beach.
10-4, 534, that was parking problem.
Put your hat back on for you.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
It's the only way it's gonna make it back with you. Is
Well,
if it's
I'll
on-
hold it. Thank
you're-
you.
It's okay,
you're
just
gonna
start
hold
over.
your
Just
hands on
start
it.
out. It's fine. It doesn't matter.
Is it gonna stay on my head? No.
Yeah. I'm not gonna go very fast.
Okay.
15-5.
Here's your legal takeaway. If an officer personally witnesses alcohol being handed to someone, later confirmed as a minor, that alone is enough for arrest. There's no need for a BAC test, ID check, or field sobriety.
You're the one who told me that you were her mom.
No, I'm not her mom. That's my children are out there.
Okay.
My 6-year-old's out there.
I'll get a car. All right.
My mom?
They're mad. They're mad. Okay.
Oh yeah, they're gonna. Yeah, I wouldn't go over there.
What are you supervisor?
Yeah, I wouldn't
Fine.
go over there.
They're not gonna argue with him.
No.
I just wanted to know what happened. I was being stupid.
Need help or can you do it on your own?
Yeah, just a little bit.
You got it. Okay, I'm gonna take the cuffs off you so I can take this off of you and then I'm gonna put them right back on.
What's happening?
Corporals?
Good for the jacket to come off?
Yes, that's what I'm taking. You gotta take the cuff off first. Pop the jacket.
Alright, we're gonna transfer you onto...
Take your cup off now.
Ladies, these two gentlemen are here to transport you only. They have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, all right? Don't give them a hard time.
Ready?
Yeah. Thanks.
Back on.
So embarrassing.
Just here. We're gonna go down to these cars.
How come they're not getting arrested? Because that's what I did.
I don't know what happened again. We're gonna come on this
I'm
one.
so sorry. Literally, like in the middle of adopting a child.
Listen.
I have no idea. I'm a fucking traumatized nurse. Like, you have no idea. He's so mean. Like, what is he doing
I don't
right
know
now?
what happened. Okay, I'll help you.
By now, both suspects are in custody, emotions cooling down. But the law doesn't care about apologies after the fact. Everything said post-arrest becomes part of the report. And in this case, both women are likely to face misdemeanor charges, each carrying up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine.
I don't know his reasoning. I don't know what's happening. So let's. He should be able.
Get my ID for him, and all that happened was that he came over and told me I was under arrest.
Yeah.
That was pretty much it. So I have no idea.
He should be. He'll explain it when he gets there, because he's the one that's going to do everything.
Final takeaway. If you're out on the water in Florida, the same alcohol laws apply as on land. A sandbar counts as a public place. So the next time you're pouring drinks, make sure everyone's 21, or your beach day could end in cuffs instead of cocktails.
Again, I don't know what happened. Okay?
I've never even looked at my Jess. I know, but I'm a trauma ICU nurse and you have no idea how much I have to lose. Like, please. I'm adopting a child. Like, you have no idea. I did not do anything wrong. Like, I swear to God. You have no idea. I would tell you if I did something.
That's your audit. If you want a one-page beach party legal checklist, what you can bring, what you can't say, and how to handle a stop, comment Sandbar and we'll pin it. Educational only, not legal advice.